My name is Dr. Beng. So I am the practice owner of Geelong Family Dental and Portlington Dental. Hash has been helpful in guiding me in some of the orthodontic cases when I run into any sort of troubles. And yeah, he's always full of knowledge and it's been really good.
I've been referring patients to Hash for quite a few years and I've had really good feedback from patients. Just the way that the treatment's gone and the way that the clinic runs. I also see some of his staff. I see some of his family members as well.
Known Hash for a while. We kind of have ties with Braces and Faces when Paul Buckets was the owner before. And so when Hash took over, he continued that link between general practitioners and orthodontists.
I think the fact that Hash acknowledges that general dentists do ortho and is collaborative on that aspect, it's really helpful. It establishes a really good connection and relationship between an orthodontist and a general dentist, because there'll still be the complicated things which the orthodontist definitely will see even if a general dentist practices orthodontics. And the fact that you're creating that collaborative relationship, it's really beneficial for both parties.